Restore your iDrive BMR network shares in a few steps. To restore a NAS share, navigate to Network Share Restore and select NAS. Select the required share, recovery point, mount username, and enter the password. Click Create. Copy the restore path from the Mount Summary section and paste it on the address bar of the File Explorer. Enter your network credentials to authenticate, and all your backed up data appears. To restore an iSCSI share to a secondary location on the iDrive BMR device, navigate to Network Share Restore and select iSCSI. Select the required share, recovery point, and select Create a secondary iSCSI target. Enable CHAP and mutual CHAP authentication if needed, and click Create. Copy the iSCSI target path and paste it on the target field of the iSCSI initiator. Click Quick Connect. A list of targets will be displayed. Select the required iSCSI target and click Connect. Launch Disk Management and access the restored data as a local drive on the computer. You can also restore the iSCSI share data to the existing share location, rewriting the current data. Under Network Share Restore, select iSCSI, the required share, recovery point, and select Restore to the existing iSCSI target. Click Create. Carefully read the disclaimer for restoring data to the primary location and click Confirm.